Hey folks, DK5ONV / mountain bike mobile with his tablet, Android tablet in his hands. Remember about, when was that at? In the last week of February or beginning in March this year, 2021, I gave you a quick round trip down to Shear, Yacht Harbor. Before there was any green leaf or any blossoms growing on the trees. So right now, 6 or 8 weeks later, is it really that long ago? Okay. Everything started blooming. We had rain like crazy for the last 8, let's say 9 days, up to 10 inches a square foot every day. No mudslide, no flood. The dirt was able to take it down, to suck it up and make Mother Nature to expose beautiful, to grow like crazy. So, and I promised you back then, remember, that after spring break I will give you another quick round trip to Shear Harbor. And I'm here to keep my promise. Enjoy. Alright, I just need to make sure that I don't drop my tablet. So, welcome to Shear Harbor, to Shear City, and right down here there's the Yacht Harbor. You will see a lot of boats, water, Mother Nature and stuff like that. I hope the quality is good. I'm really riding slowly because I don't want you to miss a thing about it. So, yeah. There's a couple of people here already. Wow. It's Wednesday today. Let me check which way to go. Last time, remember, I was here. I've been riding this way around. So, today, oh, I'm sorry, I didn't see it. Today, I'm thinking about to go maybe this way. Huh? What do you think about it? This way? Oh, this way. My way or highway? Okay. Uncle Gunther is picking this way. Boat trailers. So this is the ramp where you just get down with your trailer and take your yacht, your boat, your lawnmower, whatever you got with you, and just put it down to the dock right here. It's a little bit windy, not that much. That's the Grape Mountain area right up there. And a lot of clouds. Okay, let's keep on going. Hello. Oh, there's another bike rider. Mother Nature of its finest. No, Mother finest of its nature? Come on, now you confused me. Just trying to be funny, folks, because it's spring break. Look at these power boats, man. Ooh. Okay. No, don't worry, it's not Uncle Gunther's power boat. Still dreaming of it, to have one, maybe one day. 400 horsepower's engine. Oh, baby. Yeah, these little restaurants are still closed. Bistro, restaurants. Whoops. beach. Let me pull over real quick. Everything got really, really, really green. And over there at that bridge, that's from the Bay Rescue. They do have a station here. Bay Rescue, the water police. Right up there at that bridge. I'm still dreaming about to get the permission, maybe for a day or for, I don't know, with no time limit, to use this to run my spider beam fiberglass pole vertical. You take some Velcro and you tie it up to that metal rail, and you'll be fine. Even if it is windy and there's a lot of people, a lot of visitors, no one will get hurt. But Germany is the land of laws and restrictions and blah 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 and politics. You know, it takes a long time process sometimes before you really got a permission that you are asking for. You have to sign up for it. You have to pay the fees. Sometimes it's a lot of fees. Sometimes it's just for a couple bucks, depending on. Okay, folks, let's keep on riding. Are you ready? Stay with me. DK5ONV/mountain bike mobile on the round trip at Sharrock Harbor City. No, at Sharrock Yacht Harbor. Gunther, you are fine. Yep. Oh, let's get that baby ready. All these boats, and all these clouds. I don't know. Which way to go? Let me see. There's no bike behind me. Okay, I gotta hurry up for a little bit. Wait a second. I'm gonna take the passenger way. I'm gonna take the pedestrian way. Sorry, not passenger, pedestrian way. The path. The current temperature is 58 Fahrenheit. I got me a warm jacket on because of the winds, and I'm sitting on my bike, and you know. Oh, there's a lot of mud and shit. Needs to be cleaned out. So. There's a lot of leaves and roots and stuff in the water. Sharrock Yacht Harbor with Uncle Günther on the bike. Oh, that's my antenna, isn't it? My one-element quad. This could be a Delta Loop antenna or something like that. So, that's the fire ship. There's the fire ship. We get around, and oh, they're practicing something, whatever. Okay. That looks really good. Stay with me, folks. There's the bridge from the Bay Rescue. Man, that would be it. If I get this permission, man, to go portable DX, that'll be awesome. Wanna buy some ice cream and some snack? That's what the kiddies say. Okay. So there's, you can buy some ice cream up there with some booze in it, even with some liquor. Ah, I love that ice cream. Maybe I'll go get me some later on when I'm finished with the round trip. So the place is busy, people making their property looking nice. There's the ferry, the shuttle ferry, that ship, Tamara. Her name is Tamara, Tamara, Tamara. And the Arkinoa. That's a great restaurant place. They got a very delicious kitchen. Very tasty food. Let's keep on moving. I'm wondering what kind of antenna this is. 2 meters, 70 cents. It's somewhere around in that frequency band. I'm not quite sure which one it is. You can see that? Because I gotta keep my eyes on the pathway. I'll drive through the park. Ooh. There's quite some boats there. They came back from they took them probably down to Greece and Italy over the winter, and right now they came back, or they just having something like a boating garage, like a storage place, you know, where they're hauling their boats and let them sit there over the winter. Ooh. Yeah, there's a lot more boats than the last time I've been here. Whoa. Okay. Gunther with his tablet. Everyone is looking at me like, what is this motherfucker just about? What is he up to? I don't know if you can see it. Now I see it, now I don't. Ozzy Osbourne, now I see it. No, I don't. And another thing that I mentioned the last time I've been here with you folks was we could do some harbor activations if they deny the permit to set my antenna up on that Baywatch bridge right there. I was thinking about as a suggestion to put it up here on that building, you know. But I got to talk to these people from the boating club, and yeah, that's the way it is. So I'm gonna stop real quick. I see all these colors, yellow, green. I like it over here, really. This is like a little piece of paradise, Mother Nature. You know what I'm trying to say? Hey, hi there. a little piece of Mother Nature not far from your door or from my door where I live. I know you guys for sure got places like that in at where you live, in your town or in your city or community. So yeah, I just wanted to share that with you because there's so much to see. And it's not even that muddy from all that rain. That makes me wondering. Normally, there's a lot of mud and nasty and, you know. Ooh. God, just... That place is nice right here. Uh-huh. Yeah, it was a lot of rain. A lot of rain. Really a lot of rain. The water wasn't that high the last time. But that's okay. That's the way it is. Oh, it's a little bit of mud here, but not too much of it. So, let's see what happens. That'll be it. Right up there on the building. Putting my 40-foot fiberglass mast up. Yep. Sure looks good. Look, everything is so green. Man, that tree right here, that was a huge tree. I'm gonna check on my photo gallery if I still got the pictures from about 2 or 3 years ago when that tree was still right there. So, okay. Round trips with Uncle Günther are fun. There's a lot of business going on. A lot of business. That's the Rhine River again. On the right-hand side, Rhine River, Sharrock Yacht Harbor. I'm taking you up to that bridge. On top of that bridge, look at all these boats, man. You know how much money we talking about? Just any estimate about it? I can't really say. Wow, great mountains, parking lots. That's a nice place here, Yacht Cafe. They are open. I believe you can. Oh, and I even got the music on. That's cool. I believe you're allowed to sit outside with some safety distance due to the COVID-19 lockdown. Maybe later on I'm gonna ask those people, the workers out there, up there, you know. Ooh. Oh, I can smell ammonia. Ammonia. It's maybe in those tanks right there. But what do they need ammonia for? Oh, this here is the Baywatch rescue, the water police. This is the Baywatch rescue, the rescue station, DLRG, Deutsche Lebensrettungsgesellschaft. This is for people on the water who get in an emergency situation, drowning or sinking boats, or even colliding boats on the Rhine River. It rarely happens that two boats are colliding, running into each other, but it still happens. So, yeah. How cool is that? Hey folks, are you still with me? Hi everybody, DK50NV/mountainbike mobile on the Roundtrip at the Shear Yacht Harbor. Hope you enjoy what you see. Stay with me. All right. Let me check. Let me check. Oh, I need to keep that. I need to hold that tablet really tight, balancing it on my little finger, securing it with my thumb. I need to buy me something like like a mount here for the steering. Not like likely a tripod, but not a tripod. And then I just keep that, put that that Android tab, tighten it up to the steering. Yeah, up the hill and up the hill. Sorry, up the bridge. So here we are. Great mountain area. Right in front of you. This is the north. Right there. This is the north. East. And straight behind of me, the south. And this right there is the west. That's where the sun goes down. Let's get up the hill. I hate that rail here. I really hate it. But, oops. Okay, Gunther knows how to do it. Oh, there's the fire ship. Watch. I am the god of hellfire. I'll bring you the fire ship. That'll be a perfect place here. Here. There's already the lock and the chain to place my 40-foot fiberglass pole. Yeah, and if I got enough of coax cable with me, I run the coax cable alongside that rail, and sitting down in the bushes with my battery and my radio and my Android tablet and QRZ.com and doing the log entries for my contact. How about that, huh? It's so beautiful over here. We have really had a lot of rain, but the flood is not really, there's actually no flood. The water got a little bit higher, but it still looks good and safe. There was a lot of water. Oh my goodness. But it was slowly and decent raining, not really pouring, you know. So what is 10 inches of rain in a day, in let's say 10 or 12 hours decent rain? That's nothing. We had pouring rain here with 6 to 7 inches of rain in about 15 minutes. So where's the fire ship going? Okay, downwards, upwards. Some more impressions from here, from the bridge. Sharrock Yacht Harbor. Big clouds. And there's a lot. There's the fire ship again. And another little boat following. Rescue station. Okay, let's keep on rolling. Ich fahre kurz unauffällig an Ihnen vorbei. Dankeschön. Ja, fahren kann man nicht sagen, langsam rollen. It's really, really cool here. You meet a lot of people. A lot of tourists coming here every year from all over the world, from Asia, from North America, from South America, from the Emirates, from like I already mentioned, Gunther, watch out, from really every nation come to Wiesbaden city, and this is like attractive for tourists. Let me stop real quick. That would be an antenna. I mean, just that construction up there, you know. Delta loop, 1 element quad. Gunther, why did you make it complicated, spending all the money at Spider Beam? Why didn't you just use what was already there? It's made for you, Gunther. Oh man, it's beautiful here, really. This is the province of Hessen, and across the Rhine River. There is Rhine Palatine, or what do you call it? I gotta Google the right pronouncing of the other state up there. What it is in English? I'm sorry for that language barrier. I try to make it better. Gunther is always willing to learn and doing something about it. And okay, let's watch behind on me. I don't want to run nobody over accidentally. So yeah. Whoa. Down the hill, mama. Oh, the disc brakes are really good. And the last time I came from there, starting the round trip tour, and I've been riding around the clock, and now we are running against the clock. Yeah, and the last time you were able to watch the whole harbor when I came from over there, because there were still no leaves there on the branches and no blossoms, and right now everything is like growing. That would be it. Next time I'm gonna rent one of those e-scooters. No, I'm not gonna do this. As long as my bike is functional and fully working for me, I always will ride my bike. I want to ride my bicycle. 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 Hey, the weather makes me feel good. How about you folks? How is everyone doing out there? I hope you're doing great. Okay, let me see what this is. Oh, there's another ship. What is it? I can't barely see it from here. I'll show you something real quick. Let me see. That would be a nice place to set up my antenna, even if there is a lot of trees and bushes. But if I go more downwards, you can see that electric power lines up there. It's not to recommend to be near of it with your antenna. There will be a lot of interfering, a noisy receiver. Let me put my bike here real quick. Stay, dog. That's quite some water from all the rain that we had. There's the freeway bridge, and about 250 feet behind that bridge. The bridge is a quarter mile from here. A little bit more than a quarter mile from right here where I'm standing at. And like 200 feet, 250, maybe 220 feet behind the bridge, there's my portable place. All these vessels. Whoa. Rhine River is very busy. Oh, let's see. What is this saying? Danger to life, dangerous current, do not swim. Emergency in Germany is 112, not 911. Oh, this is the distance. Right here we are at 505.4 kilometers. The Rhine River is, I don't know how many kilometers or how many miles long completely. The whole thing, I don't know about it. I need to Google it. But this here is the mark that says right here, we are at kilometer 505.4. So if something happens, you gotta call the emergency, and they cannot see where you are. And you gotta give them these informations, tell them, hey, I'm Uncle Gunther, DK5 ONV, you remember me? I got stuck. I got a flat tire. I'm running out of liquid. Can I order some soda and some French fries, please? Thank you. I'm gonna wait here at what is it? Kilometer 505.4. Thank you. Debit or credit? No, I didn't say I want to pay for it. I want it for free. Just kidding. It's nice here, isn't it? Okay, folks. So, right over there, to the left-hand turn, we are back to the main street, at the entrance, at the beginning of the Sharrock Yacht Harbor. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. Hope you really liked what you see. I hope the video quality is good. And yeah, give me a thumbs up, and or put me a comment into the comment section. Okay, one more last impressions. Always got the weather with me. Yeah, that would be too good to be true. Okay. Thank you very much, folks. Happy Wednesday. Stay safe, have a good time, and thanks for watching my video. 73s from your friend Uncle Gunther, DK5ONV / oh, forget about that slash. I'm at the Sharrock Yacht Harbor of Sharrock City, Wiesbaden. The Sharrock Yacht Harbor is over there. I want to switching over to the shores. Rhine River, and right there behind that bush is the Yacht Harbor. 73, stay safe and God bless you.